So here I have one of the aluminium bed supports to improve my Prusa i3. Let's go over some of the advantages of this design. Firstly, you can see here an extra beam that you wouldn't normally get. That allows you to have a 3-point mount. 1, 2, 3. And these are there if you just want to carry on with the standard 4-point mount. There's 2 different hole separations in the middle, so one set is 44 and the other set is 41, depending on which type of mount you have for your printer. And then here you can see there's the slots and the close holes if you wish to cable tie the bearing directly to the support platform, or if you have the bracket type where the bearing slots into a plastic bracket and then screws onto this, you have the wider holes. So depending on what you want, or if you want to try something and then try something else, you can use this build platform for all of it. There's also a couple more mounting holes in the center here. The plate is also 3mm thick, made out of aluminium. It's not the hardest, highest grade aluminium, but that keeps the cost lower than it could otherwise be, although aluminium is still quite an expensive material. What we do have is a reduced weight over the typical 6mm aluminium frames that you find, which are excessively heavy and excessively thick for the use case that we have here. By keeping the weight as low as possible, we can increase the acceleration up and down the axis and improve accuracy of the printing. If you want to buy one of these, they're available on eBay. I will not be shipping them as a finished state like this. You'll get them directly as they came from the manufacturer. So you'll have to sand down the burrs of the cutting and also tear off some of the plastic. The material does have some scratches and blemishes on it, but this is not designed to be an aesthetic piece, but as you can see, the finish is still more than acceptable for a basic 3D printer.